What are you guys doing? Amaya's on the toilet and Caleb joins.
No, forget about my...
Oof, it stank. Get out of here, Caleb. When someone goes to the toilet, it's private, okay? You go by yourself, Amaya goes by herself. It's privacy.
I'm really depressed looking at how fat I am.
Oh, Nafia, you ain't fat. You just big boned.
I keep telling myself that, but I know.
Hey everyone, it's day 10 of... No, it isn't day 10 of Ramadan. Fast has gone to my head. It's like 6:20. I was going to say night 10 of Ramadan. What day is it? It's Sunday. We're in Mama's house.
It's the 21st day of Ramadan.
It's 9 days left of Ramadan. Okay, yeah. Can you tell I'm upset? I wanted to speak to you guys about... Naf, do you want to join me?
Man, I'm bored of seeing my own face in your videos.
How do you think I feel?
What about my face?
About my face. You look so cute.
Glowy.
Anyways, I wanted to speak to you guys really... Oh, thanks, Naf. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. She fully bullies him. Look at her face. I'm wearing a hijab because I'm taking a picture of my abaya.
She's not Islamic.
And it's Ramadan and I feel in some type of way today.
You know what's the worst bit? Is when you got bad breath and then you lick your lips and it just...
Guess what? I brushed my teeth, so my breath is okay, but your breath consistently just stinks. Hi, Stinky. I love you. Harim, no. You're cute, but no. I love this abaya. I've stole it from Mama. It's so nice. Freaking love it. Every step I take, astaghfirullah, every move I make. No, but it's okay to sing. Oh, okay, fine. What are you wearing?
What is it? This is Dina's.
I knew it was Dina.
It's men's as well. It's a men's top.
Is it?
Yeah, so.
It looks like the, do you know the burshka? The burshka? Yeah, okay. So hi, Sadiq. Hi, Sid. How you doing?
How's it going? You alright?
Yeah, really good, yeah. So I was trying to take an Eid Instagram picture and Sadiq just came and he just ruined the whole Insta picture thing. I'm wearing this abaya by his mama's abaya. She's gonna slit my throat if she knows that I've taken the abaya.
I think I should take one.
He's taking it.
You look good. You look so nice. You look so nice.
He doesn't look great. No, he doesn't. But it's okay. He's wearing Dina's hoodie as well.
There you go. You look like shit.
Oh.
Ruin.
This is nice. This is really picturesque. This ruins.
It's really picturesque.
Yeah, it is. Just think about the potential.
There's zero potential here.
Okay, just go home. If you don't get it in, I will disown you as my brother.
Yeah, but there's kids around.
Kayla, where's your shoes? Go get your shoes, baby. Yes! Woo!
Yeah, see?
Well done. Can I just tell you guys something? When we were young, it was this a big PRICK. And he was like 6 foot something and he was bullying everyone, right? So Sadiq, do you know what he did? He flying kicked the guy. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun. Chicken. Oh my goodness. Chicken is over here, is it? Oh, I shouldn't touch it. And she made some trifly thing as well. Mama. It's iftar time now. It's only us guys. Nafia's picking up her husband. That's what Mama made. Mushroom pakoras. Chicken pakoras, potato pakoras, and wraps. Oh my goodness. Papa's giggling at me. Papa voice. Papa's a hater. Hi, Ma. Papa's a hater.
Papa's hating on the video scene.
Yeah, he is. So these two have arrived. He's had a long day in the hospital. I'm going to go put Caleb to bed. It's the first night of the 10 nights of Ramadan, so we're going to pray the whole night. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to iftar in my house, and I decide 2 hours before iftar to go shopping and actually do the iftar, because I was contemplating the whole day whether to do it. And now I'm doing it. Mexican is on the menu. Dave joined us too. She looks so hot. Oh my god. And then look at us.
You know somebody ain't fasting.
And then look at us. God damn.
I said you know when she ain't fasting.
No, you're not supposed to bait it out.
Well, I told them all.
Oh, okay, fine.
Like, yeah,
She isn't fasting.
I'm not fasting.
Now I've picked up everything, and now we're going to the house, and I'm gonna cook. Hey everyone.
Karim, don't step in the food. Junior, when
Iftar down mine. I did a Mexican tonight. How yummy is everything? No, Ramadan day 24, and basically this cake went on auction, but nobody would buy it because they too stingy. This is for orphans and they still won't buy it, but it's fine. Anyway, Justice Earth Khan, thank you so much for donating such a stunning cake. I've decided that if nobody else gets it, I'm going to donate, get it myself. That basically is £50, so I will definitely buy this for my mama. I haven't seen Ayla, Sumaya, whatever for like, how long?
2 months.
2 months, maybe 3 months.
3 months.
About 3 months.
Because they were in Umrah,
Because they went Umrah, Pakistan, Istanbul, and then they decided to stay home because they went to so many places.
No, we went Birmingham.
Yeah. Sumaya picked me up stuff from where is this from, Sum? This necklace. Ooh, I like these earrings. They're very fun-like. And Caleb's Eid clothes too. Mama currently is doing an auction. The everyday businesses have donated hampers, bags, different clothing items to Mama's charity. We're auctioning it off on Instagram Live. If any businesses would like to give this stuff, this is just day one, but if any businesses would like to donate this stuff, the proceeds then would go directly to the charity. So this is the current situation of the day. Okay guys, so it is day 25 of Ramadan, and basically it's getting very difficult, but it's quite upsetting and emotional because Ramadan is coming to an end in like 5 days. I'm with Sumaya and the kids. We picked up some food for the kids in IKEA. Shall I show you the food? OMG, I crave this like every day.
Hey, wasn't that mine?
There's so many people that don't have any food. And I'm complaining about goddamn veggie buns. Sumaya gave Caleb so much sugar that the kid is nuts today. Yes, you? Hi, baby. You okay? Look at that Mr. Bean face.
Hi, Mr. Bean.
Look at that Mr. Bean face. All right, here. Caleb, get down. Get down. Look at this. Look at this. If you drop down this, you finish. Kaput.
God, Caleb, that's so dangerous.
We were supposed to just go in IKEA, quickly get food and get out. Quite a few people come to IKEA to get food because it's
no such thing as food.
so cheap.
Very cheap.
It's like for a drink, fries and a hot dog, it's like £1.50. It's a veggie hot dog. £1.
That is long.
And a drink for like £1.50. And it's good. It's like, it isn't rubbish quality. Yeah, it's really good. We're going to meet Mama in Asda right now, and then she's gonna go cook in her own house, and then
It says here.
yeah, then we're gonna do iftar. But the reason why I'm saying this is because tomorrow we're going to see Mufti Man. He's basically the Beyonce of Muslims. Don't you think? Yeah.
Would get offended.
Would he?
Definitely.
I think he's a cool guy. I don't think he'd get offended. And I just found out he's Gujarati.
Really?
Yeah, I was thinking he's an Arab, like this whole time. He's a Gujarati Muslim, and my brother was telling me that he was supposed to study in Arizona or somewhere, and he didn't go, and he ended up studying Islam, and now he's like one of the best scholars of Islam. So I'm very excited to see Mufti Menk tomorrow. It's the 27th night, so it could potentially be Laylatul Qadr. Basically it's an iftar. They can do some speaking. I don't think it's any nasheeds, but they're supposed to be like really good speaking of Islam the whole day. So excited for it. Mama did ask the shopping. Guys, I've just clocked something which makes me so excited. Eid Mubarak Bana in Asda. So it's a change that instead of listening to music, we're listening to nasheeds. This is Maher Zain, right? Do you know what loads of people say though? They say that he uses quite a bit of instruments in his nasheed, so... It's really good because usually people didn't listen to Maher Zain saying that he uses quite a few instruments. Anyway, it's better than listening to Nicki Minaj saying my booty popping. Okay? So, don't worry about it. You don't need to hook onto everything. Right? I'm gonna be doing a nasheed of my own very soon. Yeah. So I've just come to Mama's house and I seen my dad and he was just like, oh, you covered your hair. And I was like, yeah. He was like, did you cover it for a photo? I was like, no, Papa. I covered it because I felt like covering my hair. My dad is something else. Mama? Yeah. What you need me to do? No. Nothing? What are you making? Huh? She has no idea what she's making.
This here?
Yeah. Wow, those skills. Whoa, look how you chopped the... Oh, is Mama, I'm a bit too delicate to do stuff like this. Okay, no, I'm joking. I'm doing it. No, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
No, وقت enough, Maliha. Trera.
Here we go. Let's get a little bit down. And each one, yeah?
Yeah,
She wants me to do this basically. Oof. Rubbing it with pasta sauce instead of puree.
Hello?
Yeah, Ma? Doing it. Okay. I love bread. Bread is my favorite. I could eat like a whole loaf of bread just by myself.
No, I want sandwich.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Sumaya loves sandwiches and I just love bread. Sumaya can speak. Her voice has no aura. It's her face that has too much noor. Sumaya has too much noor, so she isn't allowed to come in the video because of her noor. Right, so
No.
like I don't want nazar because I'm so stunning.
Okay.
She must be thinking, oh, are you beefing with Sumaya? No, I ain't beefing with Sumaya. Sumaya is just a supermodel. Making it all day. Okay, sorry, no. Are you very moody and hungry? Yeah. She's like, I really don't give a sh. So Mama made mushrooms. I don't know. Gopi. And noodles. And pizza. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. And the adhan is done. And iftar time is now. So, Baba kajura lalak. Gonna go pray now and then eat. The pizza is amazing. Delicious. Okay, I know I'm banging on about the pizza, but it is surprisingly very good. It's just a baguette bread and domio with onion, tomatoes and cheese. That's it. Whack it in the oven. Really good. Okay guys, I am going to pray Taraweeh and go to bed then. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when we're going to see Mufti Menk. Bye guys. I wanted to tell you guys really quickly. For those who donated already to Mama Welfare Organization, I love you guys so much. You guys have done such a great job. I'm on over 7k, alhamdulillah, in less than 2 weeks, mashallah, mashallah. And that's just because of you guys. Previously, I posted up a little clip of this guy pleading to Mama, saying that please build a water well over here because these children have no access to clean water, anything. So, alhamdulillah.
Why are you talking so fast?
To try and get it done so they don't get bored and then they don't leave.
Okay.
Her and her team went to arrange to get the water well built, and alhamdulillah that neighborhood now has access to clean water.
देख रही है बहुत ज्यादा खुश है और खुद के लिए पानी निकाल रहे हैं और बहुत ज्यादा इनके चेहरे पर खुशियां हैं। ये ट्यूबवेल महमूदा ने अपनी वालिदा साहिबा की साली सवाब के लिए डोनेट किया था। अल्लाह उनकी दर्जात बुलंद अता फरमाए।
Thank you guys so much for those who've donated, and thank you in advance for those who will donate. And Eid Mubarak. No, not Eid Mubarak. Why am I saying Eid Mubarak?
I don't know.
And thank you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Astaghfirullah, no. I ain't about the haram life. Get out of here.